If you want to completely deactivate Gemini or Google Assistant on POCO M8 5G, we need to go to Settings. Next, scroll all the way down and go to Google. In Google Services, we're going to switch to All Services and then scroll down a little bit until you find Search Assistant and Voice. In here, go to Google Assistant, even if you use Gemini, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit again. This time we are looking for digital assistants from Google, but only if you use Gemini. Let's tap over here again. So if you use Gemini by default, you just want to go over here and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant and confirm your switch. If you already use Google Assistant instead of Gemini, then you can skip this step. Now we're going to go to General Settings, and in here we can deactivate Google Assistant. Confirm by tapping Turn Off, and there we go. Besides that, we can also go back to Settings and choose additional settings in this place, and then go to Gesture Shortcuts. In here we have Launch Digital Assistant, which is the power button press and hold shortcut. So since we have disabled Gemini and Google Assistant, we can just turn it off as we don't need it anymore. And that should be pretty much it, I believe. So now the Gemini and Google Assistant are completely deactivated. Subscribe to my channel.